morning, Madam, Sir. My name is Rosie Ganita, 24 years old, single. I am the number 4 in my family. I have 2 brothers and 3 sisters. My educational attainment, I finished 6 months caregiver here in Philippines. And I have experience before in the couple, which is 86 years old, female, disabled, and the male is 87 years old, healthy.
So the female is how old? The old woman, how old?
86 years old.
And you said disabled.
87 years old.
Yeah. Bedridden?
The male is not bedridden.
The female one.
Disabled, ma'am.
What do you mean disabled? Bedridden? Cannot walk?
Cannot walk. She have paralyzed, ma'am.
Whole body paralyzed?
Half body.
Half body. So you need to assist her to get up from bed to wheelchair like that?
Yes, ma'am. I assist him to...
Alone you can do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in case this time in Hong Kong, you need to take her a male patient. Is it okay with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, aside from caring old person or disabled person, what other houseworks you can do?
My other obligations are cooking, washing, ironing, and cleaning the house.
How good are you in cooking?
Cooking,
What are your specialty in cooking?
adobo,
Oh yeah, what else?
sinigang.
So you can cook Filipino dishes,
Yes,
okay.
Filipino food.
But you can follow also instructions in cooking.
Yes, ma'am.
How about caring of children?
I also taking care of children in my nephews.
Yeah, how old? How old?
6 years old.
So if got children to take her abroad, how old do you prefer?
2 or 2 to up.
Okay. So now, are you employed or not?
Not, I finish contract now.
Okay, so you're very willing to work anytime or to go anytime and ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What can you promise to the employer if they will get you?
To all my future employers, I promise I finish 2 years contract and I am honest and trustworthy. Thank you. That's all.